Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about limes, and I have a list of tips and ideas that can help you out when you're using limes. And this list was kind of long, so I broke it up into two parts. This is part 2. I'll have a link to the part 1 video below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. How about making a marinade for baked salmon with some lime juice, soy sauce, garlic, and ginger? To get the most juice from a lime or even a lemon, juice it when it's at room temperature. And you also want to roll it in the palm of your hand. You could do it like this, or you could roll your two hands together like this. Or better yet, put it on your countertop, which you won't be able to see if I do that, and roll it. Press down a little bit as you go. And that'll help to break up those cells that are in there and help to release the juice a little bit more, helping you to get a little bit more juice out of that lime or even a lemon. Now, if your lime has been in the refrigerator and you don't have time to just allow it to warm up naturally, you can warm it up faster by putting it in a bowl of warm water for a few minutes before you go to use it. And that'll help to soften it up and warm it up too. When you have a grocery store lime or any type of lime, before you cut it, be sure that you rinse it off really, really well. There may be a little dirt on there. There may be a little bacteria on there that you can't see. When you slice into it with a knife, if there's bacteria on the surface, it's going to carry that bacteria into that lime, and you're going to ingest it when you use that lime. So you want to make sure that you rinse it off with some cool water, give it a good rub down, and help to release anything that may be lurking on the outside of it that you can't see. If a recipe calls for lime and you don't have any, you could substitute any of the following. We know that the flavors may be a little bit different, but they can be used as a substitute. You could substitute a key lime for a lime, a lemon, a Meyer lemon, orange, grapefruit, or even a pummelo. 1 pound of Persian limes will be about 6 to 8 of medium-sized limes, and they'll give you a 1/2 cup to 2/3 of a cup of juice. For the record, 1 medium-sized Persian lime will yield anywhere from 1 to 3 tablespoons of juice and 1 to 2 teaspoons of zest. Try an easy side dish for supper by combining some cooked rice with green peas, scallion, pumpkin seeds, lime juice, and a little lime zest. If you like avocado, to help keep that avocado from turning dark, squeeze a little bit of lime juice onto your cut avocado and then enjoy. That will help to preserve it a little bit for you. Now, when you're cooking deep leafy greens like kale or collard greens or turnip greens, something like that, they can be a little bit bitter to some people. To help counteract that bitterness, you can drizzle them with a little bit of lime juice at the end of cooking. And you can also do the same thing with a lemon as well. And they both will work equally well to help counteract any bitterness that's in those greens and neutralize that bitterness a little bit with the acidic juice of either the lemon or the lime. I do hope this helps you out. Take care and bye for now.